Hey guys, welcome to Thor's Corner. You're invited to come play with us with monster trucks in the water today. Which ones are you putting through? Which one's that? Megalodon? Whoa! Here comes. Oh, he didn't make it. Ah! Woo! Here they come. Here they come. Woo!
That's Megalodon.
Yeah, that's Megalodon. Look at him. He's a shark. He likes to go in the water.
Going back.
Whoa!
I like it. I got it. I like it. He likes it.
He's pretty cool.
He likes it.
He likes the water.
He's going up here. Go with me, friends. Follow me, friends. Then Megalodon wants his friends to come over.
He wants his friends?
Yeah, come too.
Okay, here's Pirate's Curse. He likes to be in the water. I'm here! Here we go! Here, take him up there. He wants to come. There you go. We got monster trucks coming down. Which one is that one? Megalodon?
That's the Megalodon.
And that's Megalodon. That's the shark. Remember? And then that's the piranha.
Go piranha!
There you go. Woo!
Mama!
What?
Mama!
There they are. Which one now? That's the school. That's the school bus. Go school bus. Woo! Here he comes. Oh, he got stuck. Got stuck. You get him. Go get him.
Trying to not look out, but
Hey, push him down. Woo. Oh, he got stuck again. Here he comes.
Yeah.
I don't know that one. Oh, he made it. He made it. Getting them all ready? Line it up. Oh, whoa, whoa. Yeah. There they go. Oh, there goes Pirate's Curse. Here comes all fired up. Woo! Oh, and here comes the big Jeep. Oh, he got stuck. He got stuck. Oh, you're gonna put the bucket down and come get your trucks. Woo! Here comes the bucket. And here comes Thor. Go Thor. Woo! Whoa! Oh!
Again?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're gonna put them back all in their bucket?
Go get it. Go get it.
Okay. There you go. Try it again.
That's what.
Gonna try.
You'll get some up here.
You want me to?
Yeah.
You want me to hand them to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Hand them to me.
Okay, here's your bucket.
We have.
Okay, are you gonna line them up?
Yeah, line them up, Mom.
Line them up?
Line them up, Mom.
Line them up.
I'm not ready.
Okay. Oh no, the piranha went down.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go!
There they go. Whoa.
Mom, that one earth flip. Let me see this flip.
Whoa.
Him flip.
Yeah, there they go.
The Jeep flip.
There goes the Jeep.
Oh!
Now there goes Thor. Go Thor. Woo! You gonna put him back in the bucket?
Yeah.
Look at that. They're pretty good in the water. You want to drive them in the water?
No, not yet.
Yeah, you could put them through the tunnel right there. That would be fun.
No, let's do one.
You want to go up one more time?
Mom, you're put the cars up there and I'm
Whoa! Here they come! Whoa! Send them down. Here comes. Whoa! Here comes Pirate's Curse. Oh, that was Megalodon. Oh, there's a bucket. Here comes the big orange Jeep. Ah! Here comes Thor. Here comes Thor. Woo!
Mom, let's not do that again. Let's slide it down.
You're gonna slide them down?
Yes.
Yeah?
They're in the shower.
Okay.
Send them down in the shower. Let's do it in the shower.
Okay, let's do it. Shower. There he goes. Who's next? The big red orange Jeep's having a shower. Woo!
It went down and crashed.
He's having a shower. All fried up. He's having a shower.
And the car.
Oh, the Pirate's Curse. Woo! And the piranha. Is that go backwards? Okay, go. Woo! Okay, here I come. Are you okay? Okay, you go down. He's gonna go save him.
Don't do it. It's gonna. Well, they're gonna. From my home. I lost my home. Okay, let's go. I'm my brother.
Go! Whoa!
Watch. Megalodon.
That's the piranha, and that's Megalodon.
Here's Megalodon.
And the Pirate's Curse.
It likes to be in the water.
Whoa!
And look. They're going to drive together.
They're gonna drive all together in the water.
The snake dog. Flip.
He flips. Whoa!
He went in the water and stay cool. And went over here. On here. And went out.
Through the tunnel.
Through the tunnel. And go.
Whoa!
I went out there. I go get him. Stay here and I go get him.
Okay.
Yeah. Got him.
Oh.
I got you.
Whoa! Yeah, the hamburger, buns of steel. Okay, go for it. Which one are you gonna do first? Whoa! That was megalodon.
Now,
Buns of steel. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Two. Ooh, which ones are those? Show me. Ooh, the pirate's curse. Oh, that's pirate's curse. And megalodon. Ram. They're gonna go in the cave.
Okay. This is good, pirate curse. It's good, pirate curse. And it's good to megalodon pirate curse. Let's go in the cold water. Go, go, go. Ah! I'm good. I got in water. Let's do a pirate curse. Yeah, pirate curse. Okay, let's do it. I go up this one and stuff. Let's go down this one. I did a backflip. I did a backflip.
Whoa.
And you're making it. And you're done. Make it on it, okay? Make it on it. Yes. Okay? And you're making it.
Pirate's curse.
Are you okay, pirate curse? Yes. Okay, you're all wet. You go slide down, slide. Then go slide down, slide. With me.
Okay.
Let's do it, pirate curse. Yeah.
Which one was that? Oh, that was. Whoa.
1, 2, 3, Tigers! 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 Yes. I'm the astronaut. Fire ship. Let's go with the fire ship. I got the fire ship. Let's do it. Run, 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 run.
Okay, we're gonna see if we can bounce him into the water. Whoa! Ready?
Megalodon.
Whoa!
Megalodon.
Here's Megalodon. Is he gonna make it? Oh, he made it! All right. Who's coming now? Buns of Steel. Go, Buns of Steel. Whoa. Here he comes, Piranha. Whoa. Oh! That's two. Good job. What about the fries? Oh, that's just the Hot Wheels Blue Monster Truck. 68, I think. Oh, not quite. What about the school bus? Where's the little school bus? Yeah, to school. Here he comes. Oh, not quite. What about, no, they're all fried up. Who's left? Is it all fried up? All fried. No, that's Pirate's Curse. Pirate's Curse. Come on, Pirate's Curse. No, what about?
I'm ready now.
You ready? Okay. Okay, all fried up. Go. Let's see if he can make it in the bucket, Thor. Oh, almost. Okay, you want to try the other ones again? Which one's coming now? Pirate's Curse. This is second try. Try to get him in the bucket, Thor. Rum, rum, here he goes. Oh, he just stopped. He's right there. Okay, let's try another one. Which one's? That's Buns of Steel. Go ahead. Oh, not quite. The blue truck, Blue Monster Truck. Here he goes. Oh, psh. Where's this one? Oh, that's a school, to school. Go ahead. Oh, they didn't quite make it. So I guess we have, which one's Thor? Megalodon, woo! And the Piranha Hot Wheels are the winners! Yay! Oh, to school. Didn't quite make it. Here we go. Whoa. Whoa.
The mixed it.
All right. Oh. Not quite. Okay, come on, Piranha. Whoa. Whoa.
I just got on you.
Yeah, you did.
Got you again.
Okay, go for it.
Go!
Woo!
That was away. That was away.
Thank you guys so much for playing with us with the monster trucks in the water. We had so much fun with you. Please, if you like this video, subscribe so we can make more like it. And check out all of our other videos. Lots of different adventures. We love you guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.